Nasigi parasti narration gi matangdani direct speech amasung indirect speech aduna koi parasi haujingi mamangsda direct speech amasung indirect speech haibasi kari karino haibadu khangdokse. Direct speech haibadi reporting by quoting one's actual words. Kanagumba amana haikhibawa natraga haibawa se straight oina direct haibadu mak chap manana quoting tawba ibako. Never reporting by quoting one's actual words as direct speech as direct haibawa hisina dum koida gyan tahaleko. Adu indirect speech haibadi reporting without quoting one's exact words. Mi duna haibadu mak natabida haib tarina kitang koi thoga natraga te tai wahi wata khara hapchilaga haibado quote tawbado adune bai kona indirect speech haris. Example khara yengsi Tomba says I am good. As Tomba says I am good has direct niko. Tomba says that he is good. Sina indirect speech ni. Koi kari karang rule nong khara tamziko. Direct speech is put within inverted commas. Direct speech ama ibakanda inverted commas ki manung da iram aneba. Inverted commas I sidadum screen sidadum ireno ureko. Aduga a comma is used after reporting verb. Reporting verb si loraga comma ama amuka hap kaneba. Tomba says harga says ki matungda comma ama hapiko. Aduni harisi. A comma is used after reporting verb harisi aduniko. The first letter of the direct speech is a capital letter. Direct speech ki ahanba magi wahi sigi first letter se capital letter amana hoganeba. Hodabi adeko adu hodragadi lale. Rules to change direct speech to indirect speech. Direct speech tagina indirect speech ta on thokpada darkar leiba rule khara tamsiko. Ahanba rule da linker before the indirect speech. Linker ma hapkaneba. Indirect speech ki hek mamangs da linker ma hapkaneba. Tomba says that he is good. Ngasai ko na tamkiw example dito. Tomba says that harise sine linker harise. Koina iba kanda that si sinay ko. Dungang mo da di anong bumatam da that si sinate. Ngang mo da direct adum haiba. Tomba says he is good haina adum haiba ko. That si hap deba. Adu iba da di hapa darkar lay rule gi matungin ako. 2. Pronouns change according to sense. Example, Tomba is changed to he. Then I can pronounce ki wahi mayam si de ko na mana puriba sense to gi matungin na. Ko na change to ko. Nupa warga na nupa gi he hana change to ba nupi gi warga na she hana change to ba. Adugumba se ko na munyang sin ba madarkar lay sense to yang da ba deba. Reporting verb in the past tense makes the following changes. Direct to indirect. Indirect change to kanda magi reporting verb talakwa ahong ko mayam do past tense tako do mayam do ni tamdisi. Present indefinite na past indefinite on do never. Present continuous na past continuous on do ni. Present perfect continuous na past perfect continuous on do never. Adu sigi port mayam di noina nasana khangjaramani present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect have na singbas din nasana dum khangamani. Si khangdragadi sigi tongan ba tenses ki matang da param tamdarkar lay. Adu narration ki matang yo bai si tense ki matang da noi soidina khangbam thoi ko. Adu khangdragadi kesu sigi thabak si tawbunga moi sigi problem si solve tawbunga moi. Past indefinite, present imperfect and past perfect to past perfect. Past indefinite ne, present perfect ne, adu past perfect ne. Moi humjai. Past perfect on dini ko. Past continuous to past perfect continuous. Duga past continuous oram taragadi past perfect continuous on dini. Future gi shall or will se. Future gi should or would past niko. Should or would tam on dini. Future gi shall or will se. Future gi should or would the on dini. Si mayam si khangjan da ba yade ko. Verb ki magi forms to. First form, second form, third form do. Pazana pasalo khangjalo du yaw da yare ko. Change in time and place. Now se then the only doing past the torkanda ko. Direct torkanda. Ago se before hain haidini. Today se that day haidini. Tonight that night. Tomorrow the next day. Yesterday the previous day. Last night the previous night. Here, there, hence, tense. This, that, these, those. Thus, that way. Thus, so. Come, go. Not always go. Si su khang da ba yade change to kan si mayam si naram ba adum toy tum yadra have di ma ke su pangharoi irami vidu la le hana lo biare only by one word have tar wai ama khakna noi answer du lan du ne ba aduna si change in time and place se si loi ba toro irai live ni da sidinga just 2 minutes pa da dum yam line khang rani aduna si mayam si no tok shalo aduga hapitang ging shalo ko it have wahi se unchanged neba ma change that haina kai kai on thok pa deba it haina dum lai dini ko change tawno if the speech is reported during the same period of place the changes do not occur haiba change mayam se kari gumba aikona matam sap mana bagi maramda aikona kana tawraga di report tawraga di change tawreba natranga mafam sap mana bagi matang da report tawraga di change tawreba ko example Tomba will visit our village today Tomba nanga si koi kunda visit tawrakani lakani koirakani hamni ko adu he says that Tomba will visit their village today adum haino change tawreba today later. The tense of the verb of the direct speech is not changed if the reporting verb is in the present or future. Kagumba reporting verb si present natranga future or agade magi verb to get tense. Kaisu change tawreba. Tomba says I am well. Tomba says I am well. Adum Tomba says that he is well adum haini ko. Magi tense to hong de ko. Chamane ani mag present tense tadum present later ko. Kaimda hong balai tiaba. Aduni no yakshin du si. Aduga si rule me am si present kangjalo. Si kangda busunga ya dabni match ko maniko. No change of tense is required in case of a habitual truth or eternal truth. Habitual truth natragana eternal truth tadi ahong balay reba. Nganthoi said the earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun na dum chung magalay ramne sung hong roi da bhaitar. Prithvi je koi gi nimit ke koi bidalay habsa chung manatro. Magi ahong balay reba haibdi si adum chung madum lay ramne tra. Aduga atay te habitual loy bai koi na nung tigi chang nine to thabak lay dina ko. Morning walk kumba sigumba change to reba. My habitual truth to them change to reba dum lay gine ko. Nganthoi says that the earth revolves around the sun. Nganthoi na hai madudi kogi prithvi se nimit ke koi bida chatli haini ko. Kangjalo. There are no changes for must, ought to, and should. However, should often changes to would and must to had to. Aduga must have wahi ja. Siga ought to have ga should have siga wahi ahom se namana change to wande ko. Adubu wo kano ja. Should say would ta change to level. Aduga must na had to kan haine ko. Example am harabata Nganthoi said we must go. Nganthoi said that they must go. Natragana they had to go. Haine ba. Magi change ko to ko. Must go. Natragana had to go. Ani ngadam chumi ko. Say is used where there is no object. Object later bakanda say hen si nagane ba. Aduga object layer gadi tell hen si nagane ba. T-E-L-L tell ko. Karigumba object yaudragadi say si nagani aduga object yaudragadi tell si nagani simasu yam confusing oy banoy the confuse dum oiraga laiba poni ko. Mi mayam confuse oy neba. Kaya say adum har lebat natragana kuding maki sentence kuding maki tell adum hayo ko. Adu sum deba ko. Before that, told him or told me is used for said to him or me. That ki mamangda told him natraga told me haibu hai singse said to him or said to me haibu mahuta sisinagani adu munna khangzillo maramdi said to him said to me adum har like any change tawda bida si khangzilla layu mind ko. Narration of interrogative sentences. Say, tell, etc. are changed into ask, enquire, want to know, etc. Say gumba tell gumba say. Say. Interrogative sentence study interrogative sentence have the wahang hangba question sentencing say. Moi the say ga tell say. Ask, enquire, want to know haina hong gine ko. Where, why, how haibna chingba WH question sing siti adum laigane ba. Moi je hap adum hapi thamangone ba ko. If natragana whether say. Sisinagani WH questions natragadi ko. Tay atop question or magati if or whether sisinarangone ba. Aduga lorak pakanda interrogative mark ki mahuta full stop ama thambiramo. Interrogative mark adum thamamagadi landuini ko. If shall begins, would is used. Shall na horagati would na sinarkani. Aduga should na retain tawar thangmani karigumba. Hojik haiba sentence na duty mathogi gumba imply tawragadi ko. Dum should chedum thambirangone apsi narangone ba. Nganthoi said to me, shall I do dishes? Dishes that was duty niko. Aduna Nganthoi asked me if she should do the dishes. Nganthoi asked me if she should do the dishes. If she should do the dishes. Them retain our tamiko. Should them hapchileba. Adi shall do ne should or is go pasta. Duty way bani.